What is content creation? Content creation is much more than the skill of video editing or becoming a video editor.
I made $15,000.
$2,000, $6K, $100,000.
Need a content creation plus AI camera.
You are going to be the person who creates all the video content for businesses, brands, and influencers. Anything and everything to do online through video, from communicating with audiences to find new customers to sell to, you're going to create all the content. You'll do this for businesses, brands, and influencers, or you'll do it for yourself. That is what you're going to learn how to do. You will leverage your understanding of post-production editing, AI, creative problem solving, and video ad creation to be able to help these businesses and influencers dial in their content creation, make a lot of money, and you're going to get paid a lot of money as a result. In order for you to get started, you need a laptop, you need a place where you can sit down and create content, you need 2 to 4 hours a day into investing in learning the skill, and finally you need a way to legally collect money online from your clients. Something like a Stripe, Wise, Cash App, or some method of being able to collect and invoice your clients. If you have all those 3 things and you have the ability to focus and learn, then you're going to be very successful.